we have seen before some time normal conjunctions using. Here synthesis can be done by using first noun clause. You know, in noun clause conjunction, again conjunction is there, but conjunction that is used to join the sentence. In noun clause, conjunction that is used to join the sentence. Keep it in mind. First sentence, they will reach the destination soon. We hope so. See, they will reach the destination soon. We hope so. How we can form a single sentence and meaningful sentence? I think we hope. We have to start from we hope. We hope that we will remove so. We hope that they will reach the destination soon. They will reach the destination. They will reach the destination soon. See here, we hope that. हम लोग ऐसी आशा करते हैं कि, in Marathi that means कि, we hope that, हम लोग ऐसी आशा करते हैं कि वो अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे, अपने टारगेट पे, अपने अचीवमेंट पे, गोल पे जल्दी से जल्दी जहाँ पे उनको पहुँचना है वो पहुँच जाए. सेकंड सेंटेंस. What is second sentence? Sheetal is a talented girl. We all know. Again, we have to use conjunction that, but again in this sentence also we have to write second part first. We all know that Sheetal is a talented girl. Sheetal is talented girl, that we all know. Nothing. Means it is not joining properly. We all know that. We all know that. Second sentence we have to write first. We all know that Sheetal is a talented girl. This is the synthesis by using noun clause. Now by using adverb or adjective clause we are coming. See students, synthesis first we have seen as a noun clause. Here synthesis by using an adjective clause. You know, adjective clause of time, adjective clause of manner, adjective clause of place. There are lots of types of adjective clause. What we have to do? We shall solve first sentence. This is the town. ये town है. This is the town. My family lived here earlier. I think in this word here is the answer. Means how we can join the sentence? This is the town. यही वो town है जहाँ मतलब यहाँ मतलब what we shall use? We shall use the word here means what? In answer we have to write where. देखो आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे, सेंटेंस कैसे बनाएंगे. This is the town. See again. This is the town. ये वही town है. This is the town. Now we shall use here where. Here मतलब कहाँ? Where. This is the town where my family lived earlier. जहाँ रहती थी. Now we shall not use here because in here there is answer where. This is the town where my family lived earlier. Next. He is the man. He is respected the most. He is the man. WH word यहाँ पे join हो रहे हैं. He is the man. He is respected the most. What? वो ऐसा आदमी है जहाँ कहीं भी उसका मान सम्मान होता है. देखो कैसे join करेंगे. He is the man. पर्सन के लिए है तो पर्सन के लिए हमारे पास एक WH वर्ड है. क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको? Who. जिसकी. He is the man who is respected. Who is respected. Again the most. Who is respected the most. See, WH words are used here. Two words are there, where and who. This is the town where my family lived earlier. He is the man who is respected. Again he we shall not repeat. That's why to indicate he we have WH word who tells about something, someone. That's why who. He is the man who is respected the most. Students, in synthesis we have seen by using noun clause, by using adjective clause. By now we are on the topic by using adverb clause. You know the types of adverb clause. The first sentence, Rina is very happy, she got the job. रीना बहुत खुश थी, she got the job, क्योंकि उसे जॉब मिला था. ये सेंटेंस क्योंकि से ज्वाइन होगा. What we say क्योंकि, क्योंकि means because. See how we'll write the answer. Rina is very happy. Rina is very happy. The sentence will be joined by because she got the job. Because she got the job. Second sentence, she did not win a prize. उसे प्राइज नहीं मिला. She was not disheartened. उसे प्राइज नहीं मिला, वो दुखी नहीं हुई. मतलब उसे प्राइज नहीं मिला तो दुखी हो जाना था, पर नहीं हुई. फिर भी उसे प्राइज नहीं मिला, फिर भी वो डिसहार्टेंड नहीं हुई, दुखी नहीं हुई. फिर भी को बोलते हम although. And mostly although is used at the starting of the sentence. Although is used at the starting of the sentence. Although she did not win a prize, although she did not win a prize, she was not disheartened. She was not disheartened. Students, in this way we have completed synthesis by using conjunction, preposition, adverb, adjective, nouns. That's why I have written there by using noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. We have taken sentences. Next we will see by using infinitive gerund an exercise for this. Thank you students for watching our videos. Support us. Thank you parents. Thank you students. Thank you.